How to redeem promo code in Duolingo. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, you can launch a Duolingo application or just tap open Duolingo in a website. In here, you can easily learn languages and get scores and more. If you are using an application, you will see there is no redeem option. So what you actually have to do is open a browser, search for duolingo.com/redeem. After which you'll be redirected to the redemption page. In here, you should see a dialog box where you can enter your promo code. Just enter the promo code and click on the redeem option. If the promo code is legitimate, you can see the perks and benefits behind it, which you can use during your lesson plan as well. That is how you'll be able to redeem your promo code in Duolingo. Wasn't it simple? We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon. Until then, keep on learning on Duolingo.